Hello, in this video I want to show you how to control volume of any sounds on your HUAWEI MateBook E with Windows 11. So to begin, let's click on the volume button down here. Now you can adjust the volume right here. Click on this arrow pointing to the right, and now you'll be able to pick a different source for your audio. You can always go for more volume settings and adjust the specific volume settings right here also, or add any new devices, or enable or disable mono audio. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.